welcome back to Pam's Wig Adventure. Today's adventure, for those of you that are new, what I do is I do a quick review of the wig, and I take you through my install for the wig that I'm going to wear for the day. I show you the outfit that I'm wearing it with, and then I come back at the end of the night and kind of give you a summary of how the wig wore for the day. So it's not really a wig review, and this is taking you through my journey as I learn how to wear wigs. So today is an Amazon wig in like this red color. And she's been on the list of wigs to wear probably for 3 weeks in a row. So I'm finally wearing her this week. I think she'll go good with the outfit. You'll see the pants are like a green and pink and crazy colors. Because, you know, as you can see, my style is no style. My style is if I like it and it looks pretty, that's my style. So anyway, let's take a look at the cap to see. This is Amazon, so, oh, I've got a piece of hair. Let's see if we can pull that through. I bought a tool to pull hair through. It's really just, I don't know if anybody ever did, what do you call it? Latch hook. It's really like a latch hook tool that you need, right? Come on, get through. All right, I got it. All right, so for a cap, we have basic ears. It's got a little bit of, I would say felt, maybe. Not velour, but definitely like felt ears. You've got two combs on the side, or in the front. So that's your front. I don't know if you could see it. Yeah, that's a little better. Just like a little, yeah, like a little velour. Then you've got no extended nape, and then those stupid brown ones that nobody likes. All right, and then let's see what we got for stretch. Usually they're pretty. Well, it's just basic stretch. All right. I don't like when it doesn't have the nape because then I can't really, you know, in the back here, kind of really make sure that it's secure underneath. And then this is a Milano wig grip cap. I don't say that every single time because most of you by now, but I do have to remember that I do have new folks viewing and looking, but it's the Milano wig grip cap. So this one here, when I tried her on the other day, because I almost wore her the other day, we knew right away. Where's my water bottle? Oh goodness, my granddaughters are here. My cat does not like anybody. And so my granddaughters are here with me this weekend. And so they must have taken my water bottle and used it for the cat because she doesn't like them. So I don't have my water bottle. All right. So let's spray her with, this is the Batiste Original Dry Shampoo because she is a little shiny. Okay. Try to get some of that shine out of here. I don't want to lose any of that wave. The bangs are good. They don't look like they need to get cut. Either that or I cut them previously. All right, hold on. I gotta go get the water. Where am I? Okay, I'm back. All right, I'm gonna wet these just a little bit. I'm just gonna do a little bit of the blow dryer just to make sure. I almost feel like I want to, like I don't like that they're so, like I feel like I want to do a little bit of this. So that they're not so, flat straight across. Watch me ruin it. I just want a little bit. Let me see. It needs some thinning, but I don't have time because yeah, this needs some thinning. Let me see if we've got, I don't have my thinning shears over here. Yeah, I think it needs some thinning. Of course, now I just got hair on my eyes. I hate when I do stuff like that. I'm on my way to work, so sometimes maybe I should plan this a little, not to be so close as to when I have to leave for work. Maybe, just maybe. Am I in the right spot? Yeah, and I'm right there. I don't know that I'm liking this today. It's all in my eyes. It's way too thick and it's all in my eyes. I have this. Let's try this a little bit. Let's try thinning it out a little bit with this. Yeah. See what I have close to me, because it's way too thick. Way too thick. Way too thick. You see how thick it is? It's like way too thick. You got like 5 layers of bangs hair. So this is some impromptu thinning. Oh yeah, this is feeling better. Yeah, it's feeling much better. Feeling much better. Oh yeah, that feels much better. Okay, that feels much better. I don't know if you can tell if it looks better, but it feels much better. Because it was... Okay. Alright, that feels much better. And then I want to add some sea salt. So let's get some sea salt in there. Okay. It's really cute for an Amazon wig. Very cute for an Amazon wig. Okay. Yeah, and then it doesn't look so like straight across. Yeah, I think we did. I think I did a decent job. You guys will let me know. I think it could use a little more, you know, but I think the longer bang look is trending, if I want to be trendy, which I really don't care about being trendy. You guys know that. I'll wear it 80s poof if that's the way I like it. Oh, this top looks like a little hanging down. All right, so this is cute. All right, let me take you all around. Yeah, I think I'm satisfied with this. This is my look, and I'm gonna put on a nice red lipstick. I didn't want to put it on yet because I didn't know if I was gonna stick with this color and if it would clash or not. But I'm gonna put on a nice red lipstick. All right, I will take you over to show you the outfit, and then we will have the end of summary for tonight. All right? Why is this not working? My little clipper's not working to stop. Let me see. Why is it not working? Okay, and here's the outfit. I love these pants. They got this real crazy design, but they're so pretty. And in case, I don't know if you guys can see, I got 2 boxes of hair mail delivered yesterday, but this is the outfit of the day. All right, I will come back tonight with your summary. Hi everyone, here's my end of day summary on this wig. So here's the thing. I did not give myself enough time. This one needed a lot more work. So first thing I didn't do is I should have taken this wig when it was off my head and sprayed it down. It was definitely still way too shiny, way too wiggy giveaway. And I needed the bangs, they were in my eyes too much. Needed, you know, I did a decent job thing it out, but it still needed to be thinned out more. It needed to be raised up a little more, fluffed out a little bit. But I mean, other than that, it was kind of cute. I think for an Amazon wig, it wasn't too bad. I would give it a 6 or a 7. You know, other than, you know, me not giving it enough love that it needed. Yeah, I think it needed a little more love than I had enough time to give it. So I'm going to try tomorrow to make sure whatever wig I'm wearing that I have enough time to give it the love that it needs. But I think I'm definitely going to give this one a little more love. But for an Amazon wig, it's pretty cute. You know, it's a decent quality for an Amazon wig. It really is. It's got enough thickness. It's got enough thickness for an Amazon wig. You know, and you know, I could have did you know, combed it down, make sure that it didn't have any box hair. Well, I mean, it definitely doesn't have box hair because it's flat as can be. But yeah, I could have given it a little more love. I didn't have enough time. But I give this a 6 or a 7 for an Amazon wig. It was decent quality. So yeah, it served me today. I mean, I didn't feel like, you know, my prettiest in this, but it was cute. It went with my outfit really cute, I think. So I would give it a thumbs up. Like if you wanted a cute red wig from Amazon that was affordable, I would give it a thumbs up. Yeah, I would give it a thumbs up. I'll link everything down in the description box. You know, the full, I'm sure I didn't pay, you know, anything more than $20, $30 for it. All right. Thanks for stopping by. And if you're subscribed, I appreciate you, and I thank you so much for subscribing and watching. And if you're not, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. All right? Stay tuned for tomorrow's adventure. Bye.